We were promised a workforce of AI agents, autonomous digital employees that could handle support tickets, manage cloud infrastructure, and even negotiate vendor contracts while we slept. But the reality of deploying agents at enterprise scale looks very different. Instead of autonomy, we got anxiety. Agents hallucinate. They get stuck in loops, or worse, they confidently make the wrong decision because they didn't know the rules had changed yesterday. Most leaders think the solution is better instructions. They tell their team to fix the prompt. But the problem isn't the prompt, it's the context. Think of a prompt as a sticky note you hand to an employee. It tells them what to do right now. But context is the 20 years of experience that employee has and everything the business knows. The internal acronyms nobody wrote down. The fact that EOD means 5 p.m. in one department and midnight in another. It's knowing that server B is fragile on Tuesdays, or that this specific client hates being called before 9 a.m. Launching an AI agent without a context engine is like recruiting a world-class expert and erasing their memory every day. They have the raw intelligence to solve the problem, but they lack the situational awareness to do it safely. This is why enterprise agents fail to scale. As workflows get multi-step and more complex, the state, the history of what just happened, what permissions are active, and what constraints exist becomes something a prompt alone cannot handle. Unframe changes this. We don't just monitor your agents, we provide the knowledge fabric they need to survive in the enterprise. Knowledge Fabric is an AI-native representation of your business, weaving context from your documents, workflows, and conversations into a connected layer your agents can reason over. Unframe acts as the bridge between your deep enterprise data and your AI agents. Unified states. Instead of isolated interactions, Unframe maintains a persistent history of execution. It remembers the constraints, the business logic, and relationships that prompts always forget. Dynamic guardrails. Context at every level. Unframe organizes knowledge across users, agents, departments, and the entire enterprise, with governance built in at every layer. This means your agent only acts when it actually matters, preventing the cascading chaos of false positives. Human-shaped context. Teams can also shape this context directly in natural language, defining terms, adding guidance, and teaching the system how information should be interpreted. Agents automatically inherit this knowledge as they operate across enterprise systems. Unframe also supports user-level memory and personalization. Teams can define user-specific preferences, such as preferred language or response style, through direct interaction with Knowledge Fabric. Explainable action. When an agent takes an action like restarting a pod or refunding a customer, Unframe captures the casual context behind it. You don't just get a log saying action taken, you get a natural language report explaining why the decision was made, linked directly to the root cause. This shifts the paradigm from prompt engineering to context engineering. With Unframe, you aren't just deploying chatbots. You're building a system where agents have the memory, act with guardrails, and deliver transparent, explainable actions to operate autonomously without breaking the business. Real scalability isn't about how many agents you can launch. It's about how much you can trust them. Unframe gives you that trust by ensuring every agent is grounded in the reality of your business data. Stop trying to fix the prompt, start building the context. To see Unframe's agents in action, visit unframe.ai.